So next, body wall. So body wall consists of two layers. Single layer ciliated epidermis, and dermis part. Dermis part consists of calcareous plates. It consists of calcareous plates. Okay. Endoskeleton of calcareous plates in the dermis which are mesodermal in origin. Okay. Calcareous plates I have said कहाँ dermis part में, and they are mesodermal in origin. Now come to very important part, water vascular system. Important property, important features of echino. So water vascular system is also known as ambulacral system. Same, it is same, is equal to, okay. So water vascular system is also known as ambulacral system. It is 20. So it is a characteristic property of this, and it is coenomic in origin. Water vascular system is of coenomic in origin. Very important. And what specialties, how it is, how मतलब ये होता कैसे है, I will show with the head of diagram. So students, have a look. Here you can see it is madreporite. Abora surface means, Abora surface means dorsal surface, upper surface. Okay. So madreporite, you can see it is an opening of water vascular system. Madreporite, very important, opening of water vascular system. Okay. A perforated plate called madreporite is present. Okay, it allow water into the system. So this is all about water vascular system is a special property. Water vascular system को हमको ambulacral system भी कहते हैं, and they are coelomic in origin. Madreporite present होता है, कहाँ present होता है? Aboral में. Aboral means upper dorsal, and madreporite allows water into the system. Okay, next, digestive tract. It is complete. Circulatory system. Open type. And no respiratory pigment. Blood is without respiratory pigment and no heart. Blood without and no heart. Respiratory organs. So respiratory organs, gaseous exchange by dermal branchiae. Dermal branchiae, I have shown you the diagram. Okay, dermal branchiae किसमें? starfish. And what else? Peristominal gills. It is found in sea urchins. And what else? Genital bursae. Brittle stars. And cloacal respiratory trees. Holothurians. Respiratory dermal branchiae, main students learn this dermal branchiae in starfish, it is important. And peristomia, you are also a peristomial gills, dermal branchiae, it is important. And also tube feed, also through tube feed. But main function of tube feed in locomotion. Okay, excretory organs. It is ammonia. Specialized excretory organs are absent. Okay, they diffuse out through gills. Okay, special organs जो रहते हैं ओके, और किससे होते हैं? थ्रू गिल्स. एंड अमोनिया ऑब्वियसली वाटर में है तो वेस्ट क्या है? अमोनिया. अमोनिया वेस्ट है. ठीक है. nervous system, two nerves ring, two nerve rings. One is on oral side and one is on aboral side. Oral side I have told you, oral side that is lower side, ventral side. ये ventral है, ठीक है. Listen, ये जो दिख रहा है ये लोअर है, ठीक है. जो लोअर है ये पार्ट उसको हम लोग ओरल कहेंगे और वेंट्रल कहेंगे. ओरल, वेंट्रल, लोअर एक है. और ये जो है डॉर्सल, अपर एंड एबोरल. ओके. सेंस ऑर्गन्स पुअरली डेवलप. रिप्रोडक्शन, asexual reproduction is common. Sexes are separate. No sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is external. Okay. Okay, sexes are separate. Asexual reproduction by okay, and larva, many larvae are found. Common one is bipinuria. Okay, in reproduction lots of larvae are found, but the most common larva is bipinuria. Next, very important property, very important features, that is autotomy. Autotomy and regeneration, unique features. Okay, autotomy means क्या होता है? Chopping and cutting off its own arm for defense. Okay, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए what they do, they chopped out their arm. Okay. So this is all about, it is very well marked. Okay, well marked. So students, this is all about this, and we will discuss some important features, oral surface and aboral surface. So this is aboral. Okay, aboral को मैंने क्या बोला था? is equal to upper और dorsal ना, dorsal, aboral, upper, and this is madreporite. madreporite, I have told you, opening of water vascular system, and this is anus, and spines are there. And next, oral surface. So here it is present, mouth. Okay. It is mouth, and let me draw a tube fit. This is, I am drawing tube fit. Okay, actually the structure looks like this. Okay, so this is tube fit. And one more structure I have to draw, that is ambilateral grooves. Ambilateral grooves. And let me write here, it is which part? Ventral. Ventral, or you can say lower or oral. So this is all about and you can spines. Here it is spines, draw ossicles or spines. It is central disc. And it is arm. So it is all about starfish.